Create the ultimate study guide step by step. Hey, studying machine crew? Ready to take your study game to the next level? Creating the ultimate study guide is like building your very own superhero toolkit for tackling exams and mastering new topics. And guess what? It's easier and more fun than you think. Let's dive in step by step and transform your study sessions into a power-packed adventure. Step 1. Gather your materials. First things first, assemble your study squad. Textbooks, notes, highlighters, sticky notes, and any other resources you've got. Think of this as your superhero arsenal. The more equipped you are, the better. Step 2. Outline the key topics. Grab a blank sheet of paper or open a new document on your computer. Jot down all the main topics you need to cover. These are your mission objectives. Organize them in a way that makes sense to you. Chronological order by importance or any other system that clicks. Step 3. Break it down. Now, take each key topic and break it down into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Think of these as your mini-missions. Smaller chunks are easier to manage and help you avoid the dreaded overwhelm. Step 4. Summarize the essentials. For each mini-mission, write a brief summary highlighting the most important points. Use bullet points, short sentences, or even doodles if that's your style. Remember, this is your guide. Make it as fun and visually appealing as you want. Step 5. Add visuals. Visuals are your secret weapon. Diagrams, charts, mind maps, and colourful sketches can make complex concepts easier to grasp. Plus, they add a splash of colour and creativity to your study guide. Step 6. Use mnemonics and acronyms. Make memorization a breeze by creating catchy mnemonics and acronyms. These little memory aids can turn boring facts into memorable nuggets of knowledge. Have fun with it. The sillier, the better. Step 7. Highlight and colour code. Time to break out those highlighters. Use different colours to categorise information. Maybe yellow for definitions, blue for key dates, and pink for formulas. This visual organisation will make it a snap to find what you need during review sessions. Step 8. Practice questions. Include some practice questions and answers in your study guide. Think of these as your training drills. The more you practice, the sharper your skills will become. Plus, it's a great way to test your understanding. Step 9. Review and revise. Your study guide is a living document. As you learn more, add new insights and revise existing sections. Keep it up to date and relevant. This ongoing process will keep your study guide fresh and effective. Step 10. Share and collaborate. Studying doesn't have to be a solo mission. Share your study guide with friends or study groups. Collaborate and exchange ideas. You might pick up some new strategies or perspectives that enhance your guide even further. There you have it, studying machine legends. Follow these steps and you'll create the ultimate study guide that's not only effective, but also a blast to make. Get ready to crush your exams and become the master of your learning journey. Happy studying!